Hey, if you guys want to do some jacking, I'm waving hi to you, on your Tesla Model X, Model S, Model 3, you need a special block. This is an unboxing here of what this special block is. It costs about $25 on Amazon.com. And this is it. It actually fits up underneath your car in a little area that has some indents so that your jack doesn't push up into it and damage some things around your car body. And I'll show you how that works in a second. All right, and here it is. This bottom part goes on your jack, and then these things go on these three holes. There's some behind. This is for Model X, by the way. Every model is different, I think, or slightly different. There's holes like this behind the front tire and in front of the rear tire, and then you put the jack underneath, and that's how it works. But this is the unboxing, and this is Murphy's Law, I think, makes this on Amazon. You definitely want to have this if you ever want to try to change or replace a tire. I'm actually, going to be changing my tires to the other ones to 20 inches for towing. So thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit the thumbs up and the bell for notifications, and we'll see you in the next video.